know the feeling. All of you. Who love what you do. Every single day of it. Yeah, that feeling. The feeling of being unbeatable, unstoppable, of overcoming the impossible, cutting like a hot knife through butter, with complete freedom of movement, light as a feather, like that first embrace, spending time with the one you love, on an early morning of a day full of promises, absolute control, in command every step of the way, with a chainsaw that handles like a dream, an extension of your skill, smooth and effortless motion, ready for whatever you throw its way. A feeling of complete trust, peace of mind, safe in the knowledge that your equipment will keep you performing on top of your game, no matter what. That special feeling, a better feeling, the feeling of being able to do anything you set your mind to. Yeah, that feeling. That's the feeling of a Husqvarna chainsaw.